Just got the car back from the body shop. They painted a small thing for me at the bottom of the door, and there's some overspray left. It's easy to get rid of. You don't need to go back and complain. I have the polisher here. It's a cheap one. It's probably like $20 from Canadian Tire or Amazon. And start with the lightest polish you have. If the overspray is persistent, move to a heavier compound, which I had to do. When you're doing this, you don't really need to put a lot of force or pressure on it, because you are removing excess material. So just use its own kind of weight on it, and just go back and forth, and just keep it hovering over the heavy areas that you want to remove. Now it's mostly gone except right there where I'm going back and forth on it in the beginning. So I'm gonna use a heavier polishing compound right here. Use what is necessary, not more, because you are removing material by doing this. And this is not something difficult. You can do this at home if you have one of these machines. And that wasn't difficult at all. It's mostly all gone. So job well done. Thanks for watching.